How's it going, guys? Time for another video. I've chucked $200 worth of Bitcoin over at state.com, and I'm going to do a few bonus buys. Obviously, the vast majority of people watching this will be from the UK, and this isn't something we can do. So I'm making the most out of it whilst I can. So there's a fair few games that I do want to play, like Sweet Bonanza, White Rabbit. You can do a bonus buy on this. Obviously, we know Money Train 2 can, because I did a video on this previously. But hopefully I can get a fair few bonus buys out of that 200, and hopefully we can see a decent result. I'm going to start on Sweet Bonanza. No need to cut and bring you back, because it's only going to take a second to load. Ooh. That is the loudest game known to man. Holy shit. We're going to start on $20 buy. And we're away. As easy as that, look. Not sitting here for 4 hours trying to get a bonus to land. Okay, we know what we want. We know what we want. We want the multis. Oh, 20 hex would have been decent. Fuck it. Any win. Any win at all, please. Peaches is alright. Bananas. Yep. Grapes. Oh, blues. Oh, you bastard. Making a bit of a big deal over 468, ain't you? Oh, that's nothing again. Fucking hell. Oh, peaches. Oh, there's a fair few multipliers there. Oh, shit, but 360. How many spins we got left? Oh, fucking hell. Only 2 spins left after this. That's bananas. Drop some blues. Oh, that's grapes. Now blues. Oh, fucking hell. It's 1 off peaches, 1 off blues. Oh, that was absolutely shit. 966. Ooh, not a good start. Oh, I'm doing another one. You want a re-trigger, so you need 3 or more of them lolly things to get 5 extra spins within the bonus. Look, dead spins again to start off with, and another one. Wow, a win. Any win. What the actual fuck is going on? Last spin. Wow, that paid 60 fucking p. Fuck you, Sweet Bonanza, but I will have one more. Already down to 152. Fucking hell. This one needs to pay some. More than fucking 60p. And that 60p was the fucking trigger. Dead spin again. Dead spin again. Dead spin again. Wow. What is actually happening? That is 18 spins now with no win. 19. This will be 20. My God, it gave a win. Of fucking 60 cents again. It doubled the last bonus, to be fair. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, I'm doing a $40 buy. I did it. This is just turning into a Sweet Bonanza video. Only recorded 3 minutes. Fucking hell. That's 21 spins without a win. Oh no, sorry. We did get a win on that last spin last time, didn't we? $1. We need a re-trigger. Grapes. Yeah, peaches. Yes. Come on, peaches. Now multiplier. Oh, only 6x. I was going to say, that's watermelons. Is that bananas? No, it's not. Another 120. I was going to say there's not much we can get there. It was kind of locked in. Oh, did not mean to quick spin that. That's bananas. Now drop watermelons. Yes. Now grapes. Oh, and purples. Now multiplier. Ah, you prick. Superb. There was potential there. Bananas. Oh, you wanker. Watermelons. And multiplier. And grapes. Oh, there's a 50. Oh, where's the grapes? Needed 1 more fucking grape there. Oh, at least we finish on a fucking winning bonus. But we are leaving 18. Well, actually $20 because it was 202, wasn't it? Would help if I knew what I was doing. There we go. And we were away. What next? What next? Let's do a doghouse bonus buy. This is well easy. I don't have to keep cutting out to bring these back. But I can imagine money can go quickly if this game ever loads. Will it ever load? I'll bring these back. As soon as I clicked pause, it came back. Oh, apparently I played this. When the fuck was the last time I played this? Well, I didn't pay fuck all. Look, 15. So I play it slightly differently. I'm going to start on 20. But people always pick the sticky on the left. I only ever pick sticky when it drops like 4 or more scatters. Because you get the more spins. Because the biggest win I've ever had on this game was on Raining Wilds. But the issue is, this game can either play you a decent chunk or fuck all. Go on, fill the gap. Ah, you wanker. No win. Oh, cheers, mate. Just the 1-2x. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. Match. Oh, you wanker. Bones would have been decent there. Or jacks. Just the one again. 10 spins left, though. Yeah, we'll skip that one. Come on. Real free. Oh, you dickhead. Oh, you dickhead. Real free. Real free. Real 2. Oh, and it didn't fucking match. What a wanker of a game. Oh. Come on. Road 2. Bones, bones. Oh, you dickhead. 5. What was that 5 something that paid? Just the one again. Fuck off. Row 3. Row 4, sorry. Oh, row 4 again. Last spin. And it was fuck all anyway. Okay. I'll buy one more on this. Give us 4 scatters. Oh, you wanker. I wish them fucking wilds stuck. I'm going to do the sticky wilds one. I know I said never do it, but I thought we'll have at least we get to see both types of bonus. Oh. Ah, fucking non-multiplier. But oh! Okay, now fill the fucking gaps. Just kings. Ah, that's fuck all. Kings again. Only 3 spins left. Match on the end? Yeah, that's something. Yeah, you can see at the bottom there, that was 552. Only got 2 spins left though. Oh, at least match the fucking 10s. Last spin already, look. Oh, match that! Match, match! Oh, that'll be alright. Yeah. That wasn't that great, actually. It was a profit. It was a profit. What am I saying? What am I saying? I'm going to go for one more. Come on, 4 scatters. 4! 1 there. Ah, you wanker. I'm going to go Raining Wilds again. Give it a chance to at least try and fucking pay me. But I will quick spin the fucking shit spins like that. No. No. 3 shit spins. 4 shit spins. 5 shit spins. 6. Fucking hell. Come on, mate. Paid 48 cents. Well, looks like I'm going to be fucking quick spinning this one all to the end. Real 3. Real 3. There we go. Real 4. Oh, that's kings at least. Oh, decent money fucking back. Go on, then just give us a profit, these 4 spins. Reel 2. Ah, you wanker. Two spins left. Fuck all that spin. Last spin, monstrous. Ah. That was wishful thinking, though, to be fair. How do I get out of full screen? There we go. Thank you, Doghouse. You paid fuck all. What are we saying now? I know Fruit Party, you can do the bonus buy, but I think it's pretty fucking shit. Let's do Gems Bonanza, because I know that one campaign. I have played around with this one as well. I see, I want to pause it and bring you back, but as soon as I pause it, it'll fucking zoom along. Take your time. Oh, I'm going to bring you back. And we're in. So, this one's slightly different. If you haven't seen this one before, it's slightly confusing the first time you see it. I'll explain as we go along. Pretty much, the initial bonus you get starts at ×2. And every time you level up, so every time you fill this bar, you go to level 2. You go to 4 times and then 6 times. And each bulb is something different. So you start with wild gems, then big symbol, and it'll make sense. Oh, that was pretty fucking awful. It's the wild gems, really, that you want to look for. I think that's pretty much the worst symbol they gave me there. Lucky Wilds, give me fuckloads. That is not fuckloads. Oh, we're going to come... Oh, my fucking God. I thought we had one left. Well, we'll consider that one a warm-up go, shall we? Fuck it now. Oh, let me max screen it. I thought it didn't give me the bonus then. I was like, Level 1. Come on. Nuclear, which just clears the board. Then we want the fucking wilds everywhere, lad. Wild gem. All over the shop. 4! And it gave me no win. Okay, that's a bit bad. But it only filled it that fucking much, look. It's not easy to level up in this. That was shit as well. This is the last one. Ah, oh, fucking 5. I can give like 60. That is 2 bonuses. Both are paid under $10. Fucking going again, ain't we? At least the music's a bit happy. Every little fucking Alps. Now, wild gems, put them everywhere. That's shit again. Come on, get them wins going. Need to fucking build that up. What is that? Put a red in the middle. Oh, you wank. I thought I was going to do it then. Last thing again. That's awful. That is 3 absolutely shocking bonuses. Well, I'm buying a fucking other one. That paid the exact same as the last one, I think. Can I go 30p? No. No is the answer. Come on. Let's level up this time, maybe. Wild gems everywhere. Oh, that's fucking better. Keep getting wins. Keep getting wins. We're halfway there already. That helps. Is that going to tip us over? No, it's not. Come on, you got to do something here, Lucky Wilds. That should do it, surely. Yeah, there we go. We got to level 2. We've at least seen level 2. But look at that. All through level 1, and it's still only paid $6. This is where you got to start paying, game. Oh, don't get rid of my wilds. No. Come on. That's fucking shit. Well, we're not making it to the fucking next level, that's for certain. Oh, still shit. That's fucking better. Okay. We got money back at least for this one, but nothing mental. But yeah, that was loud. Do you know what, James Bonanza? Go and fuck yourself, yeah? What we saying? Let's go over to White Rabbit. Because I don't play this game very often because you can never get a fucking bonus. Come on, game. You can do it. I swear my internet's not this bad. It just doesn't like loading for me. Only ever when I'm fucking recording, though, obviously. Come on, lad. Thank you. We're not doing a two... Fucking hell. $5 grand! Yeah, we're not doing that. Let's come all the way down to... Fucking hell, keep going. 20p. Yep, never seen that screen before. So we want one of the reels to get up to level 12 to get a re-trigger. It's all about the fucking re-trigger. But we want the cupcakes early on. Not like that, where you give me fuck all. Cupcakes. Yeah, 2's not bad. Come on. Cupcakes. Fuck all. Come on, White Rabbit. What the fuck is this? What? Like 2 cupcakes and 5 spins? That's a bit better. There, that's better. I think that last reel's 8 now, yeah. So we need 4 more on that reel to get a re-trigger. It's plausible, but very unlikely. Especially when we're getting no wins. Ah, there we go. Come on then, 3 more on that last reel. Cupcake! Ah, you wanker. Only got 5 spins left. Oh, it fucking wanted to though. Well, it didn't. It wanted me to fuck off, evidently. This is shocking. Only up to 1,500 megaways. Or 15,000, sorry. What is this? You've paid fucking $244. Well, we can't get a re-trigger. Oh, look at that. Last spin. Oh, it's the first fucking slow of the game. What's it doing, Kings? Oh, what's that page? Oh, it's already fucking added it to the fucking win. I hate it when it does that. Well, you paid $740 and I'm buying another one. Bang! Fucking hell, what I was going to do then? Come on, bit better than last time maybe, yeah? That's a decent start. That's a good fucking start. Straight up to 10,000 megaways. Follow up at the same kind of fucking spin, yeah? Oh, that's decent again. Come on, cupcakes. They are cupcakes, aren't they? Yeah, they are. See, up to times 9 already on that second reel. We only need 3 more. Cupcakes on reel 2 if possible. Oh, cupcakes fucking all over the shop. Up to 21,000 megaways. Come on. Cupcakes, cupcakes, cupcakes. I'm a fucking grown man screaming cupcakes. Oh, what is that? That's 2 spins without one. Come on. Yeah, there's 1. Not really where we wanted it, but... Come on, now reel 2 or 3. Cupcakes, you fucking wank thing. Again, not where we wanted it, but it'll do. 6 spins left. It started so well, this. Ah. You could have put the fucking Mardy bitch on the third reel. 5 spins. Come on. Oh. Surprised it didn't do a slow spin there. Usually slow spins wins on her. Oh, where was the fucking bastard on that third reel? Oh, is that greens? Greens and nines. Greens and jacks. Greens. Oh, and aces. Didn't even see that. 2 spins. Ah, it can't be done now, you bastard. Well, it couldn't have been done that spin, actually. Finish with a decent win, though, yeah? Fair few tens. And it's already added to the balance. Stop doing it. Oh, what we saying? What we saying? What we say? Oh, I did it. Don't get to play this game very often, so making the most out of it. Fucking hell, ringing your head off. Cupcakes nice and early, please. Wow, that's fuck all, love. And again. I'm starving here. Starving. That's the fucking first one. That's a bit better. Not as good as the start of the last bonus, but that one kind of tapered off midway through, so. Oh, fucking snagged one at the end there. Come on. Is that blues and nines? Still blues and nines. Blues and nines. The reason you say that is because it often fucks you off on that last reel. It's just no. Ah, that's decent. Put a 10. Ah. What's that second reel like? 9, is it? Fuck it. Oh, where was she on the third? Sorry. Fuck off. Come on. Ain't had a cupcake in a while. Come on. Second reel. Fuck all on the second reel. Two spins left. Ah, blue on the fourth reel would have been alright. That's why it didn't give me it. Blues and greens, it looks. Yeah, and aces. Just greens then. Oh, we got a big win. Ah, it's fucking already added to the bonus. I need to stop looking. Well, we know it's paid $19.58. Bum, 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 bum. Thank you, White Rabbit. Oh. I'll have to move on. Thank you, White Rabbit. I'll take that win and fuck off. What can we do now? I'll say one more. See, I want to do Wild West Gold, but it's shit. We'll do Punk Rocker, because I think that has a bonus buy. I could be wrong, but I think it's got a bonus buy. You're gonna start? I've never had the four scatters. I wonder if you can buy the 4 scatters. Ooh. Oh, you can for 238x. Fucking hell. Is 25p the lowest it goes? Yeah, it is. So how much is that then? 59. Oh. Well, I ain't doing that. I'm just going to buy the normal bonus. Oh, let's get that big full screen. I wonder if it can still land the 4th one, even though you've only paid for 3. Guess we'll never find out. Come on, then. What does that do? Is that an extra wild? Don't even know. That's how often I've played this. Green's at the end. Just fucking match, eh? Yeah. It's told me to fuck off. That's what it's just done there. On the front, then. I think you can get extra spins. Boots, boots. We got boots. Oh, that'll be alright. London calling. Oh, it's still going. Oh, that ain't too bad. Green, green, green. Ah, that's right. Oh, fucking as if it's gonna fucking reach there. Come on. Prove me wrong. Yeah, obviously not. Standard. Come on, just fucking make it to the end. Match! Oh, fuck off. Come on, right there. Ah, you wanker. Match on the front too, then. Ah, you wanker. Is that an extra spin? It is. Match. Obviously not. It fucking doesn't like winning to the fucking last reel, does it? Oh, please match. Match, match. Oh, boot on the... Boot! Oh, show boots! Oh, you wanker. Oh, it's got bottle. Oh, never mind. Fucking shut the fuck up. Last spin. Come on, match. Match anything. Oh, show boots then. Show boots. Oh, you wanker. After all of that, not even a fucking profit. Started well. Like most of the fucking games I've been playing recently. Starts well, then it fucks right off. It's already 27 minutes. I'm going to leave it there. If you did like it, please drop a like. Please put your slot suggestions in the comments. And if you did like the bonus buys, put your suggestions in the comments as soon as possible. And please do drop a subscribe. So, yep, everyone stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.